Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're going to stop Buff from launching automatically. First, confirm the app version and the operating system so you apply the right controls. Close Buff now using the tray icon or task manager. This prevents conflicts during change. Next, sign in with an administrator account or elevate permissions so you can modify startup settings. Once done, proceed to the specific startup settings for your OS. This ensures the change persists after reboot and avoids temporary fixes. You'll now disable the startup entry itself. On Windows, open Task Manager, switch to the Startup tab, find Buff, and click Disable. That prevents automatic launch on login. On Mac OS, open System Settings, go to Users and Groups, select Login Items, and remove Buff from the list. If Buff still starts, inspect services on Windows or Launch Agents/Launch Daemons on Mac OS and remove or unload the Buff entry. Careful removal here stops background launch agents from re-enabling the app. Finish by opening Buff's own settings and unchecking any options like Start on Login or Run in Background. That addresses app-level triggers. Then, remove any scheduled tasks, launch agents, or third-party repeaters that reference Buff so no hidden scheduler restarts it. Restart the machine and verify Buff does not open automatically. If it still does, re-enable temporarily to inspect which step re-triggers it. One key troubleshooting tip: if removal fails, check file ownership and permissions. Use admin rights to change or delete persistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.